Welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove CapCut watermark. That watermark CapCut that is going to show, that used to show at the back end of your video when you are exporting. I'm going to show you how to cut it out now, and you're gonna export, and trust me, your video is not going to have any CapCut watermark. So let's go started. We're going to open our CapCut. So just CapCut now. Open your CapCut. Now we're going to export any import any video as a project now. Sorry guys, let's wait a little. Okay, so now click on your new project. Okay, so we click on new project. Sorry guys, discard. I click on new project. Now let me just choose any video here. Just choose any video here so you can see what I'm talking about. Click on add. Guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download and install Panda, which is a video compressor. Sorry guys, let me show my tab. Okay guys, this is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. If you look at this end, if I export this now, if I export this, it is going to show this. You can see this CapCut here. This is what I'm talking about. Yeah, this place what I'm talking about. So how do you want to remove it? You know what you're going to do? Just come here and click here. You can see, just click on here. You can see, click on here, this interface. Just scroll here, this is exactly that end, and click on it, and this is it. Click on delete. Once you click on delete, this is it. Once you export this, no watermark of CapCut is going to be here. You can see, let me show you to the end. You can see this way is going to stop. You can see that is so easy. Just go there. Just always remember, when you're exporting your video on CapCut, you go to the end there and click on it and delete it, and that is it. You have automatically export your video without CapCut watermark. So guys, if this help, click the subscription, please subscribe. It helps me a lot. Thank you. And click the like button, and you can drop any comment there on any video. I'm going to do it for you. Thank you guys.